Alright, so I want to try new styles of content. I want to give you guys like just different things. I want to try new things with the channel, try different angles. This is an angle you guys haven't seen before, but you gotta try new things. Right now it's 5:52 a.m. and in this video I want to talk about energy, and I want to talk about the importance of high energy. And without high energy and without having the ability to be energetic and be high energy, even when maybe you're tired, even when maybe you might feel fatigued or whatever. I'm starting to learn, dude, like fatigue really is just in the mind. That shit isn't even real. Like, I just made a tweet about this. Like, that shit isn't even real. Like, everything is all mindset. Everything is all mindset. So I think it's important, whether you're a potential client or not, whether you're a YouTuber client or not, you guys actually need this the most out of anybody that I talk to. I feel like my camera's like getting like messed up. I feel like you guys need this the most out of anybody. As in, I talk to a lot of YouTubers obviously every day. It seems like a lot of YouTubers are really just focused on like the wrong things, the wrong energy into their YouTube channel. It's like YouTubers seem to never think big enough. Like, they always think like, oh man, like, hopefully I can get the next sponsorship. Hopefully I can get the next monetization. Like, or whatever, the next video that pops up. Like, I don't know. YouTubers just kind of think too small. But that's besides the point. We can get into that maybe later. But I wanted to talk about today how valuable high energy actually is. And I learned about this concept today because I was with my mom and we were just watching the Trump inauguration address. And I mean, I'm on Twitter obviously, so like I see a whole bunch of politics, I see a whole bunch of stuff. Dude, like, however you may feel about Trump, it doesn't really matter to me. I don't really care. I'm glad he's the president. But however you may feel about him, that dude is a monster. That dude is a beast. This dude is 70 something, has more energy than anyone that I've ever seen. That dude's job is very difficult, bro. Very difficult. Imagine you had to go and maybe stay up most of the night, only get a couple hours of sleep at a time. You wake up, you're getting bombarded with messages, bombarded with people needing your attention, wanting your attention. Imagine being like the president of imagine being Trump right now, the president of the United States. All this attention drama, all this BS that goes along with it. And then imagine having to address the entirety of a country, address the entirety of America, and do so in such a convicted, confident, and calm and collected way. That is what Trump does. I have 10% battery. My phone just paused. I was just observing, and the way he's able to carry himself, with how old that man actually is. Like, the main takeaway that I got from it is just that dude has tons and tons of energy. Tons and tons of energy. And it makes you think, like, how could any of us be lazy? Because one, this dude is 70 something. This dude is already past like any of our. I'm 22. This dude is 74, 76, 77, however old he is, maybe 78. How is it that he's that old and has the energy, the full energy to be able to run? I mean, lead a entire country at this point. I mean, he's the president. It really puts things into perspective because it makes you think, like, dude, we have no excuses. None of us have any excuses, dude. Fatigue, tiredness, that shit is fake, God. Like, that shit is fake, cuz. I was trying to say, cuz. That shit is fake. That shit fake. Like, of course, humans, we need sleep. Like, of course, we need to, you know what I'm saying, get our sleep, 8 hours and stuff. But all of this shit, like, this might not resonate with a lot of people, because a lot of people like to make excuses, and a lot of people don't really believe in themselves, so they don't even think that they can do things beyond like what their mind tells them to do. So for the people it does resonate with, I hope this guy kind of like hits, because I'm honestly talking to you guys. Like, everything in this shit is really just mind. Like, I'll tell you, this shit's all grit, all mindsets. You can literally overcome anything. Like, literally, you can overcome anything. It's 5:56 a.m. I've been up all night. And oh yeah, I actually see this meme the other day. It's like people who stay up all night or something like that. They always got that like pick me energy. Like, oh, it's like they expect everybody to clap for them. Like, yo, bro, you stayed up all night for real? Oh shoot, bro. Oh my God, you're so cool, bro. You're so powerful. You're able to stay up all night. No, it was just funny. But my point is, when I'm saying like I stay up all night, is that I got tired. Hell yeah. Like, what? I could have gone to bed a couple hours ago, but I want to get this little thing done because it's gonna make my today easier. And every single time I've been thinking, like, just like this is literally today. This is kind of maybe this like has changed my life because every single time I've thought about the word fatigue or tiredness, I've thought about Trump. I've thought about how much energy he has, how much. I don't even know, tenacity. I mean, dude is running and leading an entire country at his age. You have to have incredible amounts of energy with all the people talking to him, all the people in his face, all the things that people need from him. The way he's able to talk to the media and answer every single question with so much conviction and so much like intellect, like so much just like commanding energy. That's basically what I'm trying to say. As in, like, to be able to do that, you need to be an energetic person. You cannot do that with low energy. And I'm a high energetic person naturally, and that's something I pride myself on. But I could be better. I could be way more energetic, and that's what I'm going to do. Every single time I get tired or fatigued, I'm going to think of how energetic Trump and others are. Elon Musk. Maybe Charlie Morgan, for example. Like, these people are high energetic people. Some of these people you might not know. Charlie Morgan you might not know. But high energetic people who, like, something that I learned from this guy, his name's Tai Lopez. If you know him, you know. If you know, you know. He says, you can't accomplish great things if you don't have high energy. He's absolutely correct. You can't. Like, how could you? Like, how could you? Like, if you don't have high energy, you're not going to be able to really dig deep into, like, and go into that mode where you might have to really accomplish something. Like, for example, this, like 5 a.m., whatever. You might have to go into that mode. Like, sometimes you just might have to. And then do the day still. Like, continue to do the day, even if you didn't really get that much sleep. I mean, bro, what else choice do you have? I mean, bro, but that's what I'm saying. Like, there's really levels to the game. Like, there's really levels to it. And that's why I'm thinking, like, bro, like, how could I complain about nothing? How can I complain about anything? How could I even feel, quote unquote, tired, fatigued? That shit's fake. That shit's in the mind. Because there are people who, I mean, these people are way, way older than me who are doing things at a much, much greater level. I believe that the body encompasses itself to whatever situation it's in. So, for example, Trump has to run the entire United States of America. His body gives him the energy to do that. He has given his body, like, his body literally forces himself to do it. Like, if his body literally gives him the energy, like, forcibly. So it's like, the thing, basically what I'm saying is, like, you have to be doing big things, and then to compensate, your body will give you the energy as well. But I think it goes both ways. So I still think you need to be able to dig past the moments where you really don't feel like doing nothing. Where you really don't feel like doing nothing, and where you don't really feel like you have the energy, or like you're fatigued, you're tired. That shit's in the mind. So if I could just leave also some actual advice and actual tips on what has given me like high energy. I'm on like Trump level, Elon Musk level, but hey, these are going to be frames of minds I keep as I go through my life, and as I go through certain situations, like for example business and stuff like that, thinking of like, okay, these guys are billionaires, like rich, very, very rich people who have achieved a lot and are doing a lot still at their age. High energy people, high energetic people. So basically, there's certain things that you can do. Like, I mean, one, I think the number one thing for me, I think, is like faith in God. Like, I the energy I have is not even of my own. It's just gifted to me by Him. Like, that's the thing. Like, if you believe that you're God ordained, like, my name is literally divine, bro. Like, divine. Like, I believe I'm godly ordained and destined I feel like it's divine nature that like my name's divine. But that's my point. Like I believe all this stuff, so God gives me the energy. God gives me that power. I'm telling you, bro. I'm telling you. That obviously just believing you him, believing you that N word. I ain't trying to curse, but believing you him and no matter what, believing you her. If you a girl watching, I mean, it's really it. Like believing in yourself, believing like no matter what too. Like anyway, I mean, if whoever's watching this that knows me, I mean, they probably already know this. They probably already think this about me. But I think I know better than pretty much everybody, and that's like my mindset. And maybe it's whatever. Maybe it's whatever. That's whatever toxic, whatever. But like that's just how I feel, and that's what is going to get me to any goal I want. You have to believe you're better than anybody and everybody in order to achieve big things. But that's what I'm saying. I'm only talking to people who want to do that because not everybody wants to achieve big things, and that is okay. Not everybody has to. Like not everybody wants. It's a lot of sacrifice. I was reading some books about it's called Relentless by Tim Grover, and he talks about cleaners. Cleaners sacrifice everything to be able to achieve the greatest amount of success. Cleaners are basically people who will achieve otherworldly levels of success, like Kobe Bryant, Michael Jordan. Like these people ate, slept, and breathed basketball. They did nothing else. It's what they call cleaners. Like they will get to the top number one spot. Like they don't just want to be great; they want to be the literal best. That's what separates cleaners from like other people. Do I want to be a cleaner? I feel like I kind of have to be at this point. All right. I feel like I've been yapping. So hopefully that's like valuable to some people. Like it might not be valuable to everybody, but I think it'll be valuable to some. Why I look you feel like this video gonna blow up? I don't know. We'll see though. I'll catch you guys on the next video. We're gonna see how it goes. Peace.